In this question, we input a 3-digit number. So the 3-digit number is going to be input into EDT num1. And we work on the assumption that the number is a 3-digit number. And we now want to find the sum of the digits. So let's get our number. Num is, we're going to go from a string to an int. EDT num1 dot text. I've got my number. Now to get the first digit, and it always helps to work with an example. So let's work with the number, the 3-digit number 567. So what must I do to this number to get the 5? So with a 3-digit number, if you want to get the first digit, you take that 3-digit number and you divot by 100. So here, if I divot by 100, it's going to be 5.67, but keep in mind div always gives you the integer. So that's going to give you the 5. Now, how do I get the, we'll come back to this middle digit. Let's get the last digit. Let's get the last digit. So the last digit is going to be num, and I'm going to make use of remainder, which means mod. And if I say num mod 100, then work out the div and see what's left over. So num mod 100, div 100 gives me 5. The remainder would be 67, which is incorrect. That's not what I want. So num mod 10. If I mod 10, then 567 div 10 is 56. Remainder is 7. So that gives me the last digit by saying num mod 10. So that was easy. Now, how do I get the middle digit? The middle digit, okay, so here this is going to require a 2-step. I can first take the number and then I'm going to div that number by 10. So if I take 567 and I div it by 10, that's going to give me 56. Right, that will give me the 56. Sorry, that semicolon shouldn't be there. So that gives me 56. Now that I have 56, which is a 2-digit number, what should I do to the 56 to get the last digit? And I simply go and then mod that by 10. So num div 10 mod 10 will give me the middle digit. Alternatively, you could have said num mod 100. So in this case, if you look at 567, mod 100 will give you 67. And if I have 67, what do I now need to do to get the 6? So from there, I need to then div 10. So whether you want to use the first approach of div 10 mod 10, or if you want to go mod 100 div 10, both would work. And thereafter things get quite easy. So I'm going to then say my sum is first plus last plus mid. I've added them up and then I'm ready to display. So we're going to go read out dot lines dot add message. The sum is, and we're going to go plus and convert int to string. And we're going to display sum. And there we are. That will find the sum of a 3-digit number.